Guys, in this video we'll be continuing the JK flip-flop, and in this video we'll be checking it out. First is creating a K-map for JK flip-flop, and we will be checking out the characteristic equation, which will be helping you out in creating counters or other circuits. Okay, so now making a K-map, how many inputs will be there? I think 3 inputs. What all 3 inputs are there? J, K and Qn. And on the basis of that we will be checking out Qn plus 1, right? So let me make a 3 input variable K-map. So what I will do, I'll be taking JK over here and Q over here. So how many combinations will be there? We will be making in SOP format, that is sum of products. Okay, so 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. And here it will be 0 and 1, which is called as Q bar, which is Qn bar and Qn. And here it is J bar K bar, J bar K, this is J bar K, right? This is JK and this is JK bar. Okay, now what we will be doing is we will be finding in output of the truth table. The truth table we have is how many ones are there. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. And for 4 ones, which all inputs of J, K and Qn are there? Okay, if this, let me take this first. J is 0, K is 0 and Qn is 1. So J is 0, K is 0 and Qn is 1. Next we have this one. So here J is 1, K is 0 and Qn is 0. And again for this one, J is 1, K is 0 and Qn is 1. Okay, so Qn both will be 1 1 and JK will be 1 0. So here JK will be 1 0, so Qn is 0 and Qn is 1. Now the fourth one is this one. JK both are 1 and Qn is 0. Okay, 1 1 0 we have to find, so 1 1 0. So guys, this is the K map for JK flip-flop. Okay, so let me make the combinations for this. So this is one combination, this may be another combination, or this may be another combination, right? So what I am doing is we will be taking up only 2 combinations out of these. First is this combination and second is this combination. So minimization can be achieved. Otherwise we can have 3 combinations, but there is no need of it. There are only 4 columns we have and we can make 2 combinations of 2 each. So let me take this as 1 and this is second combination. So taking this, now we will be creating a characteristic equation out of it. Okay, so characteristic equation will be it as, let me take as flip-flop output function as f. So now here J is same and K is changing, so we will not be taking K, but Qn bar is same. So Qn bar plus, going for the second combination, here this one and this one. So J and J bar is changing, so we will not be taking it. K bar and K bar will be taking it, right? So K bar, and here the combination is Qn, which is same in both, so Qn. So guys, this is my characteristic equation. This is Qn bar. So this is my characteristic equation. J Qn bar plus K bar Qn. Right guys? So we have checked K map for JK flip flop, which we have created from this truth table. And now we have just created characteristic equation using this K map, which is already minimized. We can't minimize anymore. Okay. Thank you.